How to change text in a scanned PDF without destroying its background. 100% perfect and invisible edit. When editing a scanned document with ordinary online tools or AI, the background becomes blurry, the font does not match, and the edit is detected only when zooming in. But in professional work, no mistakes can be made. In this video, we show how to edit documents perfectly by manually working at the pixel level using Adobe Photoshop, without any automated software. Our work is special. Pixel perfect font matching, the original typeface and color gradient are maintained exactly. Intact background and watermark, the delicate texture of complex security paper is not damaged at all. 3D perspective matching, the text is placed perfectly according to the folds, noise or grain of the paper. 100% invisible, even with the naked eye, it is impossible to detect the edit even when zooming in or printing in high resolution. Files we work with: JPG, PNG, PDF, scanned copies, crumpled/old paper, invoices, utility bills, business contracts, etc. Why choose us? Super fast delivery within 30 minutes to 2 hours. 24/7 customer support and unlimited revisions. 100% privacy of your data. Don't believe it? Watch the live demo directly. Pay only when you are satisfied with the live edit of a small part of your work over a video call. Escrow facility is available for large projects. Contact us now to edit your documents perfectly. WhatsApp +880178 871 6077. Website tuner.com. Special note: we do not edit any kind of passport, driving license, or government ID card.